Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8 and my name is Sultan Faiz Jaran and there are also Alfajri Aditya Prayoga. In this video, we will be presenting about our project. The title is Implementation DevOps with Git, GitHub, Jenkins on Binary Search Program. Before that, I'm going to explain about the background of this project. In an era that is growing, of course something is needed to support it. In terms of daily activities such as searching for data references so easily. Therefore, the role of GitHub is needed by many aspects of life. The algorithm made is binary search, where the user will input text in the form of number, which in this case is the length of the number, and the number to be compiled. After compiling the number, the program will ask for the number you want to search and give the result. To make it easier to build the application, the author uses DevOps implementation using Git, GitHub, and Jenkins. And I'm going to explain about the tools that we use. There are Git and GitHub. So Git is a version control system that developers use to develop software together. And the main function of Git is to set the version of your program source code by specifying which lines and code to add or replace. And next is GitHub. GitHub is a developer-only platform created to be inspired by the way programmers work. From open source to business, we can host and review code, manage projects, and build software with over 56 million users worldwide. And next is Jenkins. Jenkins is an open source based server automation written in Java. One of the uses of Jenkins is to implement continuous integration and continuous delivery, also called CI/CD process. More details, Jenkins make it easy for us to process such as testing, building, and deployment that can be run automatically. And next, the presentation will be explained by Alfajri.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alfajri Aditya Prayoga. I will be explaining DevOps implementation. Step 1. Creating a GitHub repository and storing the binary search program to GitHub. Create a new repository on GitHub under the name. The URL repository will be obtained. Step 2. Run command with git bash. Open the git bash. Run the following command: git config global username and git config global user email. The above command is the configuration of the username and email. mkdir project 2. The above command serves to create a new local directory named project 2 Java in file explorer. Git command git it project to Java. The above command work to initially .git in the activity directory. And commit all the program file. Run the following command: git status. The above command to serve to display the working tree of the project to Java directory. The above command serves to add file to the working tree index changing git commit first commit. The above command function to record change or give a message the say bubble sort program and save all previously add file. Next. Step 2. Cloning change encoder and push the repository. Push the GitHub repository. Push the directory that has been added and commit before from local to remote. With the repository intent, we creating a new repository on GitHub. Run the following command: git remote aid origin https github.com/alfajri13/project to git push origin master. Step 4, clone by other user can develop project in the repository on their own local computer user to create a clone. Prior to that, other user first entered his working directory and opened git bash there. Command git clone https github.com/supis 2020/project to git. No other user has a copy of the project in the repository project to Java on his local machine. And changing code. After making some change to the code, the other user must enter the add and commit command. Once push the local repository to GitHub using the command git push u the local repository to GitHub using the command. Okay, next to using Genskin.
And now I'm going to demonstrate you using Jenkins. First of all, we need to add the account, and I have the account now, so I'm just gonna log in. And then we select the new item and enter an item name. So I gotta name it project 2 and choose freestyle project. Click OK. And here we need to choose the GDK. I have the GDK here. And then we choose source code management, which is Git. And repository URL is the GitHub URL of your GitHub. Let's see. Here you can get the URL. Just copy it and then paste it. And then you need to delete this. Let's just let it blank. And then here you can set the build trigger, and I'm going to use 15 minutes as a trigger. And then click save. And click build now. So as you can see right here, there is a check. It means it is successful. And let's see the console output. So this is the console output. It is run successfully, as you can see. This is the search binary program that we made. And that's it for our presentation. Thank you for attention. We are group 8. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.